Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We have in our midst, as our dear pilgrims of hope and joining us this Eucharistic celebration from the Colegio San Agustin, the grade 10 students, teachers of this beloved institution. Maligayang pagdating po sa inyo sa Manila Cathedral, and we thank you for your presence and for your participation this morning. Let us praise and welcome them. Let us praise the Lord and welcome them with our warm round of applause. And let us continue praying for the intentions of these young men and women, that they may continue to strive and really dream high and aim high for this life as they continue their studies. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate the feast day of Saint Dominic de Guzman, father and founder of the Order of Preachers. How are we to describe such a saint? Saint Dominic spent his life with tireless preaching, witnessing holiness, love for the Blessed Mother, and love for contemplation. Madami siyang mga napukaw at nasalbang kaluluwa sa kanyang buhay at paglilingkod. Even in the midst of crisis, God has made Dominic instrumental to form hearts of people for a gracious life and faith. But why such passion to preach and to teach? Let us remember the words of the Lord in today's Gospel. Jesus said, "For the Son of Man will come with his angels in his Father's glory, and then he will repay each according to his conduct." Bilang pastol at tagapagturo, ayaw naman ni San Domingo na hindi maging maganda ang buhay natin at ang ating pagkatao. His teachings brought discipline to people. His life brought enlightenment about the Lord, so that at the end of their lives, they may be accounted to the good that they have done. And also on the part of Dominic, he too may be accounted for the conduct he has extended. After hearing homilies, reflections, after praying, after knowing the faith, after having known about things in this life, we may know how to live well. And at the end of our lives, we will be accounted for by our conduct. Mahirap yung nakaalam ng pananampalataya at buhay, pero hindi naman saksi tungkol dito. O kaya tinuruan, pero hindi naman natuto. After sharing the faith, may it bring us to heaven. After hearing good things, may it lead us to God. After doing good, may it direct us to God. We will be accounted for with our conduct. Kaya, magsikap, magpakabuti, magpakabanal, para maging mapalad ang hinaharap.